Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another Korea vlog. So today we went to Museum Kimchikam to learn how to make kimchi, and then we explored the Insadong streets, which is very famous for traditional stuff and street market.
Good morning guys, I hope you're all doing well. So we're finally here in the kimchi making shop. They're going to teach us to make traditional kimchi today. So I'm really excited. So I think this is going to be very exciting. We're inside and we have some cute
저는 입장료고요, 여기.
치킨 내신 분만 감사합니다. Guys, so we got our apron and we're gonna go and make kimchi.
Hello everyone, this is kimchi making class. Today we are gonna make a Korean traditional napalm cabbage kimchi.
So it was super fun learning how to make traditional kimchi. And the woman who was giving instruction was so sweet, and we were like doing this kimchi thing first time, and we were like oh yeah, we are very excited to do the kimchi thing. And she told us to just smell the stuff and spices to know how the kimchi smells. And the spices are very they have very pungent smell. I think so. My nose is kind of like oh my god, this is super pungent.
Everybody is tasting on your kimchi paste.
So then they told us to make the kimchi filling by adding so many spices. So they told us to add 4 big tablespoons of red chili powder because kimchi should be very spicy.
There's another one.
And then we also added few more stuff to make the filling.
On the ready, 1 teaspoon of shrimp.
Didn't put that in.
It's the last one that you said.
No, that's the last one. But I think we put
And they told us to eat and see how the spices are, is it according to your taste or not. So yeah, it was quite really spicy, but it was super tasty.
Not too spicy.
So wait.
Yeah?
And then we started adding the filling to the cabbage that we got from there. And yeah, it was soaked in salt water. And they told us to apply whole filling or the masala to the cabbage, and it was really fun.
After like 30 minutes.
So after we finished making our kimchi, we explored the museum Kimchikam. This is a place to go to learn about many varieties of kimchi in the world. In the museum you can also see how the older people used to make kimchi in the past, and what kind of stuff they used to make traditional kimchi. So here this lady is showing me how to make kimchi and what all ingredients we add to make kimchi, and it was super fun.
Okay. Close and open and close. One more. Okay. Yeah, usually 3 times. Very good. So now you make butter kimchi and set up. 자, 센서에 포커스를 맞추고요.
This is how you heat the fire.
Like this. 이런 식으로
English.
Am I parsley close? Yeah.
Just talking about kimchi, that it has fermentation and a lot of probiotics, so it's really good for your health, for your immune system, for your digestion. That's why UNESCO has considered it as World Heritage. The fermentation makes those probiotics, the bacteria that are good for your health.
So, now next let's do the chili.
How does the thing look like the cushion? Because I'm wearing the.
Hey guys, today is day 5 in South Korea. Our first spot is Insadong. So we have arrived to Insadong.
So Insadong is one of the most traditionally Korean area in Seoul. It might be due to all the Korean shops lined up along the streets. So if you guys ever visit Korea, do visit Insadong. It is super famous for all the traditional stuff. You can see so many hanbok shops there. People are going around wearing hanbok and traditional stuff. And you can also see that they had so many traditional antiques item there. So it was so beautiful in Insadong. And for lunch we found this beautiful place. It was so beautiful from inside. It was almost like we are having lunch in nature.
손님 이쪽으로 12명 오셨. 아니 잠깐만.
So here I was saying that we have 2 more hours to explore Insadong because everyone was talking so loud and my voice is not clear, so I have to voice over here. So this is the famous place in Insadong where almost like so many famous K-drama were shot, like While We Were Sleeping, Goblin, another Oh Hayoung. So we were just going around and having fun. So after having some fun on the streets, we went to this famous tea shop.
Yeah, and you can translate what she's saying.
It's a tea made of hala.
Ah.
할라가 뭐예요, 근데요? 할라가
하나는 뭐예요?
조금 국자보다 조금 더 발효.
아. It's more fermented than the green tea.
It's tasty. And I really loved it. The taste is so good.
So in that tea shop they have like hundreds of flavored tea like I've never seen in my life. It was like I want everything because I'm a tea lover.
Hey guys, so I'm having tea. This is green tea with milk. I've never had this kind of tea before. This is like my first time. I'm gonna taste it. It's kind of sweet, creamy flavor with like ice cream, some ice cream flavor. It's really good. So we are going back to our bus. We had free time for 2 hours and we were on Insadong Street. Now we are going back to our bus. Next stop is Han River.
It's gonna be so crowded.
Okay.